In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Manukora promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, we'll jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google and search for Manukora discount code. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is retrieve.com, and I recommend you to use this one right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of promo codes and discounts that we can use. And for example, if you want to get this free gift right here, all you have to do is just select option that deal, and you can see that there is a promo code that you can use in order to get that free gift on Manukora. Also, if I'm going back to my main search right here on Google and scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this one right here, this website, which also provides us with different promo codes that we can use. For example, you can get 10% off discount with this promo code. And if I'm going to select show code, this is my promo code. So on my next order, if I'm going to set to use this promo code, I will get 10% discount on any order. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.